Welcome to this behind the scenes video. I'm going to be coming back to the GoPro, telling you what I'm doing, taking you through some of the equipment I use so you can get an idea of what's involved in making a YouTube video. So let's get into it.
Drown our sorrow, sympathy,
And I started now.
in a smoky haze. Tell the lies we say.
I'm going to start setting up the shot now. My next tip is always make sure you charge your batteries the night before. Best to have 2 batteries for the camera. Make sure they're charged the night before. Also with your cameras, make sure the memory cards are empty. So it's nothing worse than filming, battery runs out or the memory card is full. So you do that preparation beforehand. That should save you some time. Got the camera here, EOS 700D. Been using this one for 5 or 6 years now, or using the same camera, this particular type of camera for 5 or 6 years. Yeah, I'd recommend it. We've got a 50mm lens on here. Going to think about setting up the shot now, and I've done a shot in this room before, but I might try something different today. But what are you looking for? You're looking for light, so you're looking for lots of windows, and also it's good to have some depth in your shot. Not essential, but it's going to make things look better, so a long space is also helpful. So let's see if we can get a shot set up here.
What I know.
Tripod, essential.
Self answer honestly.
The camera won't work without the battery in. So I'm trying to get everything positioned as best I can at the moment. So you'll see from the camera to the depths, I usually have about 3 meters, and then you want something, well, the way I set up, I want something behind me that also catches the viewer's eye. That's going to appear a little bit blurred in the background, and that gives you some depth in the shot. Generally, most people think it makes the shot look better and it will make you stand out more. So you can see we're actually dealing with quite a long space to get a good shot. Got a laptop, Dell XPS 13. Now, if you're filming on your own, you're going to have to think about how to focus the camera. You can use autofocus, but I find if you're moving around and gesturing, I tend to gesture quite a lot, then that might mess with the autofocus. The camera might be focusing and refocusing while you're doing whatever you're doing. You don't really want that. So I tend to use a manual focus. That means you've got to get something that has a little bit of detail, and place it about where your face is going to be, and then focus on that. So that's why we're using this plan here. With this shot is there's not enough light, all the light's coming in on the window you can see in the shot, so we're going to switch this shot around and try something different. Here's the classic Tiger pinboard. You'll see this on a few Tiger videos.
And every time I feel this, I wanna scream.
Okay, so actually shooting that. Just looking to frame the shot as best I can, so I'll come and sit here. See what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be sitting here, talking about Excel. Laptop's going to be just here on the laptop, talking away. How's that looking? Recorder, and I've got this ProSound Lapel Mic that I plug into the sound recorder. That should give us good sound. Both of these have batteries in, so I'll replace them before a filming session, put new batteries in, and have lots of new batteries to hand, ready to go.
It's not a choice I could have.
important for editing. Recommend a good pair. Okay, so we've got the shot set up, camera's ready, got the sound set up, ready to go. Now I've got to think about what the video is about and what I'm going to wear. So I'm going to get a shirt, get it ironed, get myself looking decent. Brand new shirt today, still got the label on. Light blue I find is best for filming, so I've got a ton of light blue shirts. About the content of the series. I don't do any scripting, I just have an idea in my head what we're going to cover. So I'm going to get on my laptop now, get some kind of demo file ready, and we should be able to get started with the filming. I've got my Tiger pen and my notebook. Conditional Statements for beginners. Welcome to Excel VBA Conditional Statement for beginners.